Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the future of data room management, AI, blockchain, and beyond. Data rooms or virtual data rooms are secure online platforms that businesses use to share confidential documents with others. They are commonly used in mergers and acquisition and fundraising and due diligence. AI for data room management. AI is already being used in data room management to automate tasks such as document indexing and classification. This can help to save businesses time and money, and it can also improve the accuracy of data room searches. In the future, we can expect to see AI being used to platform even more sophisticated tasks in data room management. For example, AI could be used to identify and flag sensitive documents, generate reports on user activity, detect and prevent data breaches. Blockchains for data room management. Blockchain is another emerging technology that has the potential to revolutionize data room management. Blockchain is a distributed database that is secure and transparent and tamper-proof. Blockchain could be used to create a more secure and efficient data room platforms. For example, blockchain could be used to store and share documents with authorized user, track user activity and document case accesses, create a tamper-proof audit trail of all activity in the data room. Then the future of data room management. The future of data room management is bright. AI and blockchain are two technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the way that data rooms are managed. In addition to AI and blockchain, we can also expect to see other emerging technologies such as natural language processing, machine learning being used to improve data room management. Here are some trends that we can expect to see in the future of data room management. More intelligent data room platforms that can automate tasks and provide insight to user. More secure data room platforms that use blockchain and other technologies to protect your sensitive data. More user-friendly data room platforms that are easy to use for both businesses and collaborators. Here are some additional thoughts on the features of data room management. Data rooms will become more integrated with other business systems such as customer relation management and enterprise resource planning systems. This will help to streamline workflows and improve data visibility. Data rooms will become even more intelligent and more proactive. AI will be used to identify and flag potential problems such as suspicious user activity or sensitive data that is at risk being expected or exposed. Data rooms will become more accessible to wider range of user. AI and other technology will be used to make data rooms more user friendly and enable user to access data from anywhere in the world or any device. Overall, the future of the data room management is very promising. New technologies are transforming the way data rooms are managed, and this is making data rooms more secure, efficient, and user friendly. In the last conclusion, the data room management is exciting. AI, blockchain, and other emerging technologies are transforming the way that data rooms are managed. By adapting these technologies, business can streamline processes, reduce risks, and improve the efficiency of their data room management. Thank you. Hope you will understand this topic, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you everyone.